We always see giraffes as these peaceful, majestic giants. But biologically speaking, their lives are an absolute extreme sport. To avoid becoming a lion's lunch, they sleep standing up for just 30 minutes a day, often and quick. 2-minute power naps. But that's not even the hardest part. Because their brains are so far from their bodies, their hearts have to be 2 feet long just to pump blood all the way uphill. This gives them a blood pressure twice as high as humans. So the next time you feel stressed, just remember, nobody handles high pressure quite like a giraffe.